Like and subscribe for more.
Yeah, so day one, eyeball crust and all. This is an awesome bed. Okay, like, this room is a great room. And I only spent like 4 hours in here so far, so good, at least 4 hours sleep on day one. It was good. The TVs are decent. Of course, it has a Las Vegas programming, so not really gonna get real programming other than weather, local news, and like buy this, buy that, stay here. So typical, but still decent. TV size. Pretty sure if you had a adapter, you could probably do your own stuff with it. But on another note, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do today, and you'll see B-roll now. Before I go, I gotta show the crappy view, if I didn't show it already. Awesome Deli.